Now let's talk about Canva Pro. This Canva I have right here has already been subscribed, so this is a Canva Pro version already. So I'm going to show you that exact same flyer I did, or design I did with the Christmas flyer that I tried to show you with the free version. I'm going to show it to you using the Pro version. So let's say I want to design that same Christmas flyer. Go here, search Christmas. Christmas flyer. Click on portraits. Click on portraits and wait for it to load. So you have the same thing. Now you are going to see the difference. You can even see firstly the type of templates that they show. Some templates that we could not find in the free version, you can see them all popping out here because this is a paid version of Canva. I have paid for this. Imagine this type of design now. You won't see it in a free version. So let me use that same design I used, or I tried to design in the free version video. So this is the design. I'll just click on it and wait for it to download. Now notice that there's no watermark, there's no Canva showing in the background. It is just like that because this is a paid version. Now the payment is I think 3,600 every month, and about 36 to 40,000 in a year to subscribe for Canva. But let us go back to the main purpose of this video. So I want to show you the Canva Pro, and I already showed you the Canva free. If this was Canva free, you see a Canva watermark at the back of this, or at the background of this flyer, because all these features, this and leaves, the balls, the candles, the stick and every other thing, they are all pro version, so you have to pay to use all these features. So I want to look for the okay. So you see now that design that I did in the free video did not show here because it is not a very elegant design. See the type of templates that comes out or pops out when you use the Canva Pro version. They are exquisite templates that you cannot just do on they are just very elegant templates. You won't see makeshift templates or templates that were just joined and cut together in the Pro version. Only premium designs that will show here. So you can see this even carries the Pro feature. You can see all these things. So assuming I want to probably add a picture to this and then remove, let me just delete this. Assuming this is just for assumption, assuming I wanted to add a picture to this and I come to my uploads, I want to upload a picture. I want to show you why the Canva Pro is so nice. You see the course flyer that I did, that you saw. If you check now, let me look for the picture I actually used. I think it was the picture I used, but the background of this picture did not show because I use the Canva Pro version. So all I have to do is click on effects, and I'm going to remove the background for this photo. But this is only available for Canva Pro users, that is people that have subscribed to Canva, people that have paid for Canva. So click on the BG remover. I'm going to remove the background of this picture now, and just the picture will be left. So I can then edit it and shift it to whatever point in the design that I want to. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. Now this is it right here. You can see that the background has been removed. This can only be done using the Canva Pro version. Imagine I wanted to, for example, I wanted to reduce this. Now this is not a perfect flyer. I just want to show you how you can use this. I can decide to put this here, anywhere that I choose, but the thing I will show you is that the background is no longer here. The background is not showing anymore. I can also auto enhance this picture if I feel like it's not bright enough, or the feature is not showing enough, I can auto enhance it and do so many other things with it. I can add a frame to this picture. I can do some paint effects. These features are available only to pro users. Okay, so let me reduce the brightness of my screen a bit. So this is what the auto enhance feature looks like. I can decide to increase it or reduce it just to edit the picture. Well, assuming this is going to be too bright, so I can take it back and click done. There are other features I can use. I can use the photogenic picture, autofocus, face retouch, smart mockups. I can also add frames to this picture. So assuming that I want to make this a laptop frame, I can turn this picture into a using laptop frame. So there's no network right now. Network is pretty bad. Now look at this. Let me bring it down so you can see it. Assuming I click on this is what it's going to show. Okay, this is what it's going to show. So I can also click back here, click on effects. I want to change this frame. You can change this frame to anything. I can take the picture to be in a phone format and others. If you check out the flyer that I actually created for this course, you will see I used a phone in the flyer. There's not actually a frame though. I'll show you how to make that, but for now just see different frames. So this is what it will look like. So this is just for the sake of showing you the different ones that you can use. You can actually edit this. Can reduce the crop feature or increase the crop feature. This is not actually showing the way it should, but I just want you to get that you can use different frames and just edit with this. But this is for pro users, those using the pro version. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this. So another thing with pro version is when it comes to logos, if you're someone that works regularly or you have a lot of flyers you want to send out, like those coaches that create courses, you can easily upload everything you want to use, from your brand logos to your brand colors to your brand fonts, using using the Canva Pro. So another thing that you can use the Canva Pro for is it gives you access to a lot of other features that you can use on Canva. So you get access to a lot of other features you can use on Canva. Now look, let's check here. With the Canva Pro, you have access to themes that you can create your own theme and add other people to it. So that is what I'm going to do for you if you want to continue as a Canva Pro user. But now with this, I can edit my brand, like what I want to use for my brand kits, my brand logos, brand pictures, upload pictures onto Canva. So it makes it easy for me to design. I do not have to start adding everything from scratch. So you can see brand kits, brand templates. If there are certain templates you always design with, let's say like that my course so if there are certain things you always design with. Now this is the logo I did for a community. I designed with this a lot, so that's why it's showing here. This brand logo. So you can see brand colors, some colors I've used, color palettes and others. So in the next video, in another video, I'm going to talk to you about some colors and how to use them in your design. Then you can see your brand template. If there are certain templates you always use for your designs, for example, if I wanted to continue using the flyer I use for my course, I can upload it onto this place. So every time I need to use it, all I have to just do is edit and continue using it. So these are some of the things you can use the pro version for. On the pro version, you can also create a content calendar for your business. So instead of having to rack your brain every single day to think about what you want to post, you can simply just create it and schedule it onto your Instagram, your Facebook. You can simply just create it and schedule it onto Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can do your content planner. And so many other things that you can use the Canva Pro version for. So as you can see, I'm part of a team. So yeah. Now, also, it is only with Canva Pro version that you can successfully edit your ebooks and add websites or create websites using Canva. It is only with Canva Pro version you can do this. With Canva Pro version, you can create your websites, you can do your presentations and your documents. You can type out your proposals and business plan with Canva Pro version, and you can also create websites for your courses, for your products using the Canva Pro version. You cannot do that with a free version.